Okay, I don't know if we'll have to start all over or not, but this is Monday, the 6th of April, 2026. We are comparing T-Mobile service connections with Verizon's using this S26 Ultra. We've got another plan with T-Mobile. Verizon, we're having so much trouble trying to do our uploads. We've upgraded our videos to 4K and virtual reality 360 8K videos, and that Frank's, the uploads are just, I can't function. So we got this T-Mobile trying it out. The coverage map says we were on their best 5G, and so far it has been much faster than Verizon. I'm able to upload a higher resolution, larger file at about 4 times the speed that I can with Verizon at Frank's shop. I don't know how that's going to play out everywhere else we go. So this will be a Verizon T-Mobile comparison for me. Now, whether it would be the same for y'all, I do not know. But now T-Mobile is hooked up with Starlink as well. And I did see something about Verizon starting to launch their own satellites the end of this year, middle end of this year. So they may catch up, but I can't wait for catch up. And Verizon has just cut 2 loyalty discounts off my phones. I've had 3 lines and a pad. I've had 4 lines with them. You would think they'd give you extra loyalty instead of cutting them off. So we're also going to investigate adding a couple lines to T-Mobile and cutting a couple lines off Verizon just to get a comparison. Or even, oh, I mean, this is crazy, but even seeing what kind of coverage AT&T would have, what kind of free stuff I can get. If I can get free stuff and have the same coverage and cut my bill $100 a month, then that's what I need to do. So we're going to explore a couple of things. And like I say, we're recording this in ultra high definition 4K video, flat video. This will not be 360 immersive. But we'll try to start uploading this over here at the railroad site and see how fast it's going over here, because we usually have a fair connection over here with Verizon. So we'll see if we have this same kind of connection speed with higher resolution files. And then we're headed over to Watkinsville, at a place where we have very poor to little connection. And we'll be cat sitting over there this week, so we will be able to find out how it's working over there too. And like I said, these, you know, I'm not trying to make these, well, I want them to be interesting videos, but my main purpose of this is a product review of Verizon and T-Mobile comparison. We're here just outside Athens, Clark, so it's the same thing, I guess. Going down here to where the railroads, where we go catch these old locomotives and the train tracks and stuff down here. And Verizon has a good connection speed down here. We're going to check out T-Mobile. Then we'll head over to Watkinsville to try that one out, to check out that, see how that connection speed is. Now this won't be I probably need to reduce the resolution on this, but this won't be a direct comparison because this is 4K video where we usually only do 1080 video here. But it'll give us an idea. Okay, let's go ahead and cut it off. We will go ahead and process and start uploading it and see what it'll show. Over here at the old B&O chassis, the kitten locomotive. We have 360 video around this, down the tracks, and also inside the cab, if you want to take a look at an old vintage historical locomotive. Been over here flattening out dirt. They must be doing something about the train. Oh, and somebody sent me a thing saying that they have plans on taking the train track all the way through Athens again. That'd be interesting. We'll be following up on that to see if for sure. I don't know if they'd be trying to restore the old B&O chassis or not. That, I think, is in pretty bad shape, but I don't know anything about locomotives, so who knows? But let's get this one uploaded or starting and see how we come out.